everyone. Welcome back to Snap, Clap and Learn. In the last sessions, we have learned about reading numbers. Today we will learn about writing numbers. How to write numbers. We can write numbers in three ways. First is the standard form. Next is the expanded form and the word form. Let us see the different forms of writing numbers. The standard form. This is the most commonly accepted form of numbers as we see the numbers written naturally. Expanded form. It is the way of writing numbers to see the math value of individual digits. Word form. This is the name that stands for a number. It is also called number name. When we write the expanded form of a number, we should think of the value of each digit. Like in the number 521, the place value of 5 is 500, means 5 hundreds are there, 2 tens are there and 1 is there in this number. Now let us see how to write a number in place value chart. This we have seen before. 497325162, a number written in the place value chart in different columns. How to read this number? This also we have learned before. 49 crore 73 lakh 25,162. Now let us see how to expand this number and how to find its place value, how to find its digit value. So 2 is in 1's place. Its place value is 1 and the digit value comes to 2. 6 is in 10's place. Its place value is 10 and the digit value comes to 60. 1 is in 100's place. Place value 100 and the digit value comes to 100. 5 is in 1000's place. Its place value is 1000 and the digit value comes to 5000. 2 is in 10,000 place. So its value is 20,000. 3 is in lakhs place. So its value is 3 lakh. 7 in 10 lakh place. Its value is 70 lakh. 9 is in crore place. So its value is 9 crore. And the last 4 is in 10 crore place. So its place value will be 10 crore. And the digit value comes to 40 crores. What is the difference between place value and face value? Every digit in a number has a place value and the face value both. For place value, we read the digit along with its place. That is, 5 has place value 500, 2 has place value 20 and 1 has place value 1 because it is in the ones place. For face value, we just read the digits. That is, the face value of 5 in number 521 is 5. The face value of 2 in the number 521 is 2. And the face value of 1 in the number 521 is 1. Now, there are some steps we should keep in mind while expanding a number. First, we should write the value of the number using the face value and place value of each digit. Then we should stretch all the values like a rubber band. You all know how to stretch a rubber band. Like that only we will stretch all the values which we got. And then we have to put plus signs to separate the values. Let us see our number 521. We will expand it as 500 plus 20 plus 1. Let us see a big number also. 7325162. How will we read it? 73 lakh 25,162. So this will be expanded as 70 lakh plus 3 lakh plus 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 100 plus 60 plus 2. Next we will learn how to compare numbers. We compare each digit of first number with each digit of second number starting from the highest place. Comparing is of two types. One, when we have the numbers with different digits, and another when we have the numbers with the same number of digits. Let us see both of them one by one. When the numbers to be compared have different digits, the first step will be count the number of digits in the numbers. And the number with more number of digits will be larger than the number which is having less number of digits. Let us take an example. We have two numbers to compare, 8,316,948 and 521,168. Do you remember in which system I am reading these numbers? Yes, I am reading these numbers in the International Place Value System. Now first step, counting the number of digits. We can see first number is having 7 digits and the other number is having 6 digits. So it is very clear that 8316948 is greater than 521168, or we can also say 521168 is less than 8316948. So that we come to the conclusion that a 7-digit number will be greater than a 6-digit number. Now when we need to compare numbers with the same number of digits, what are the steps to be followed? First is, we will start comparing the digits from left hand side till we find different digits. And the number with the larger digit will be a greater or the larger number. For example, we have to compare numbers 36188836 and 3618888613. Now first step that we have to compare them from the left hand side till we find different digits. So we will see first digit is 3 in both the numbers. Another 6, again same digit. Then 1, again same digit. 8, also same. Second 8, again same. Third 8, also same. But at the hundreds place we get two different digits. One number is having 3 and the other number is having 6. So it is very clear that the second step says the number with the larger digit is greater. So the second number is greater than the first number. We can write it as 36188836 is less than 3618888613, or we can also write as 3618888613 is greater than 36188836. Next concept which we will learn today is how to order numbers. Ordering is required when we have more than two numbers to compare. Ordering is also of two types. First is ascending order or the increasing order. That means from the smallest number we will go till the largest number. Another one is descending order or decreasing order, where we start from the largest number and we go till the smallest number. Let us see example of how to order numbers. If we are given these 6 numbers 77, 450, 138, 510, 36 and 994, and we need to order them. Now we should remember the steps of ordering or comparing numbers. The first step was when we have different number of digits, we should count the number of digits first. So we have two 2-digit numbers and 4 3-digit numbers. So to write them in ascending order, first of all 2-digit numbers have to be written. 2-digit numbers are 77 and 36. Next step comes that from the left we will be comparing their digits. So first digit in 36 is 3 and the first digit in 77 is 7. So it is clear that 36 is the smallest number. So first comes 36, then comes 77. Now we come to the 3-digit numbers, that is 450, 138, 510 and 994. These all are 3-digit numbers. We need to compare them. Now we will go from the left hand side. The number which is having 1 in the left place, that is 138, will come first. Next, with 2, no one is with 2. 3, no 3-digit number with 3 in the first place. But we have 4, that is 450, which has 4 in the first place. So 450 will come next. Then first place is 5 in 510. So 510 comes next. And the last number 994 comes, which is the largest number. This type of ordering of numbers is called as ascending order, where we go from the smallest number to the largest number. Similarly, if we write these numbers in descending order, then how will we write? We will start from 994, then 510, then 450, 138, 77 and then 36 will be the last number. Now let us see what we have learned today. Today we have learned about writing numbers, the difference between place value and face value, comparing numbers and ordering numbers. Now, brain work for you all. Measure your height in centimeters and write it in expanded form as well as word form. Write the place value and face value of each digit in your measurement. What is your measurement? Your measurement was the measurement of your height. And measure the height of all members in your family and arrange them in ascending order. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel. You know how to subscribe. Let's learn more interesting things in our next session.